Alright y'all, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the hubs off of an LT250R. This application applies specifically to the 85 and 86 models. The 87 to 92 may be slightly different, so just want to let you guys know. This mod we're going to be doing today is removing this factory hub with bolt pattern, because I know some of you may be like me and find it very difficult to find decent rims that fit our bolt pattern. Most of us, what we have to do is end up re-drilling. As you can see, I got these rims from who knows where, but it was already pre-drilled with probably the size that it came with, and somewhere along the line somebody added a bolt pattern for the 85, 86 quad racer. The mod that we're going to be doing is we're going to be adapting Banshee hubs onto it. The Banshee hubs are a different bolt pattern, and you can find these off of the 91 and up Banshee. The earlier year model Banshees won't work. The 91 and up is what you're going to want. Now, the reason why they swap on so easy is because these splines that are in here, which are these splines here, there's 24 of them, and on the axle itself also has 24. Again, this is only for the 85 to 86 quad racer. The 87 and up have a 26 spline. Those will not work. There's a different modification for that, but this only applies to this 24 spline. So I'll show you what we're going to do. So first off, we're going to crack these lug nuts here. I've already gone ahead and done so. So I'll show you the removal process here. I'm sure all of you know how to remove lugs, but we'll go through it anyway. This top one's already off. It's near the valve stem. Again, it's a re-drill and it's ugly. I don't like it. So, got the wheel off here. Next, here, let me bring you a little closer here so we can see what we're doing. Next is going to be the cotter pin removal. Now, this cotter pin, as all of the other ones are bent at the end here. That prevents it from moving out. But I've already gone ahead and flattened it out, made it as straight as possible. I'm going to take some needle nose or something similar, remove it. Now, you've got to get this axle nut off, and if it's never been removed before, it's on there pretty good. So what I got is my PB blaster to knock this thing free. I am using a 1 1/4 inch socket. Now, this isn't the best one to use. It does have a little bit of play in it. However, it was able to grab enough onto the actual nut itself to be broken free. Yes, I know there is a tool for that. Use the right tool, but this is what I have, and this is what I'm going to use. If I'm not mistaken, I think the actual socket size you need is possibly a 1 3/16, but I'm not 100% positive on that. So anyways, you're going to break it loose after your PB blaster or whatever's been on there for a while. You're going to remove the castle nut. It's called the castle nut. Why? Because it looks like a little castle, right? A little castle nut. And you've got this little washer of some sort on there. That's going to come off. Now again, you can spray some more PB blaster up in here as well to get into the splines so they can work its way in, kind of break everything up. Let it sit for, I don't know, maybe 5-10 minutes or so, and you're going to want to remove it. Now, a lot of times this is going to be really hard on there. It's going to be stuck and stiff. So you may want to use maybe a hammer or something just to gently tap on the back ends here. Not too hard, because you don't want to bend anything. You never know. You may have to go back to the factory hubs in the future. So keep it as straight as possible. Gently tap it, and it's going to come all the way out. See that? So completely removed. Set that aside. Probably go ahead and clean this up, maybe with like a wire brush or something, just to get all the old dirt and everything off of it. Now, here we have the Banshee rear hubs. Again, 24 spline. 24 spline. Check it out. Bam. No play. So from this point, I will grab a Banshee rear wheel. Here we go. And let's just show you here. See that? Yamaha. Factory Banshee wheel. I also think the maybe the Yamaha 450 rears may work as well. Not 100% positive, but I think they may be the same bolt pattern. All right, so here we go. Put them on, and there you go. One concern that I had was the thread and pitch of the Yamaha versus Suzuki. Wondering if you can use the same lug nuts you used, and the answer is yes. Completely threads all the way on. You can get this one to thread on. There we go. I'll only put the 3 on, whatever. And then, you know, you repeat the same process. Obviously, you're going to put the you know, the castle nut back on, but I'm just showing you here that that it fits. So castle nut's going to go all the way on, cotter pin's going to go back in, and after you get it in, you line it up and make sure you bend one side out. That prevents the castle nut from backing out. And there you go. Banshee rear hubs on an 85, 86 LT250R. They do work. Thanks for watching.